in my S5. This meet's supposed to be a pretty good one. It's a dealership that's hosting the meet. They allow burnouts, they have barbecues, music and stuff going, so I'm excited to go check this one out. I want to see something break, and hopefully we do. That'd be so sick. So let's go meet up with the boys at the meet, and hopefully we can get some cool footage here.
Everybody knows if I want her, then I get her. She gave me that look, and she knows she thinks I'm clever. I don't think I do it good, no, I think I do it great. They would do it if they could, they can't do it, so they hate. Everybody wanna look, but nobody wanna play. Sleeping eyes like a crook while I put it on display. I don't do it by the book, no, I do my own thing. That's why every single hook got them singing like me. And I ain't in any rush, cause I'm finally getting paid. Don't believe in any luck, I believe I'm self-made, yeah. Yeah.
There's no budget on this one.
Yeah, let's go. Catch me at the top, sipping shots of Patron. I will never stop till the road is my home. I'm about to pop, everybody's gonna know. When the beat drops, they be yelling B-ho. Girls in crop tops, drop tops at the shows. Mini skirts rock, got us all like whoa. All the pretty ladies lined up front row. Driving me crazy, I just wanna take them home. Got it on lock, yeah, you can call me pro. Parties on the blocks, make sure the girls know. Now it's getting hot up in here, oh no. Think Nelly.
So the wind picked up a little bit, and as you heard 2 seconds ago, a little rowdy, and it's going to get rowdy later because the whole burnout show and everything, I'll have all that coming up shortly. I'm just going to wander around and show off a couple more cars that's in through this. We'll see how we have everything set up here. They have every of the classic older vehicles over on one side, and then on the other side we got a bunch of Euro cars. It's a pretty cool setup. This is a really good show we got going on here. Speaking of, that one looks like it's for sale actually. So that works out pretty good if anyone's interested. That is an insane color. It's such a like pure lime green right next to this unit. Yeah, this is what I was saying. Like we have all the old classics on one side, and then over there you got just everyone else. I just put the camera away, but like, dude got the subs absolutely cooking in that thing right now. This car show has actually kind of been pretty sick overall. They had like a revving competition for a minute, and I was joined in. The person that runs it was like, "Oh no, you're done," and then I hopped out of the car, and then someone was pointing at me to rev, and it was like, what the hell? So I barely quit, but they gave me a free hat because it was just miscommunication. But oh well, it was fun. Right now, I'm just really waiting on the burnout side of things. I want to get a couple of videos of that. See if I can get some cool angles of that. That'd be sweet. Other than that, I'm ready to go home, but I'm only waiting for that. So. They also had free hot dogs and free burgers, free drinks. So this turnout was so sick. Like the crowd here was just so genuine, and overall was a great experience. So if you're ever around and they have a little show, this is cool. All right, well, they're getting ready to do the burnout competition. They just did a bunch of giveaways or whatever, and I wasn't really paying 100% attention, not gonna lie, but they gave away some stuff. through shit like this?
Let me get this straight. You feel like a what? I feel like a milli. The way that you what? The way
You can see how like burnt I am right now. Like I'm red. I'm almost as red as my seats. Anyways, hopefully you guys enjoyed this. I don't know what it was. I'm pretty tired, I'm not gonna lie. It took a lot of energy from me today, from the complexion of my skin now being a lobster. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. The burnouts were sick. That was a sick turnout. I was so happy about the outcome of that place. If you guys know that store, go check it out. I don't really know what they provide, but great people, fun time. I was at a meet last night or yesterday, but that one wasn't really worth recording compared to this one. This one was definitely worth the space and time and effort to record, so good, perfect. That's a good thing. But right now I'm actually getting ready to install these in the car. These are LED footwell lights, which I say I'm probably going to post this week, and then this weekend I'll probably post the interior lighting change because I did all that, and a little extra into it, so stay tuned for that. And I'm getting ready to record this one, so get ready to watch this as well. If you guys like this kind of content and my repair videos, anything I do in general, just like, subscribe, and stick around because I got a lot more coming. So see you in the next one. Peace.